Hey everyone, Zane here, and today I'm going to show you how to remove continue watching on Amazon Prime. Now here, as you can see, I'm on the TV, and here you have some movies or some shows on this section right here. Continue watching. And let's say that you have watched this movie or this show with someone of your friends and you don't want actually to continue watching it. What you should do is to simply use your remote in order to hover over any one of these programs. Then just click on the OK button. Just hold on it while clicking on the movie. Then once you click on the OK button, it will show you these options on the right side. Now, what you should do is to simply choose the option in the middle, hide this movie, and once you click on it, it will be hided as you can see right now. And you can do the same steps for any movie that you have right here. And that's all for today. If you find this video helpful, please don't forget to support us with like, subscribe, comment, share. Thanks for watching and see you in a new video.